Hi everybody, it's Cora from The Decorating Housewife. It's so good to see you. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. It's nice to be back now, and today I am in the kitchen and I have a little something different for you. I am going to be making a salsa dip, and this dip is delicious. You guys are always going to make it. Trust me, you're going to love it. So for New Year's Eve, if you're going to be home, around the TV or getting cozy on the couch and you want some snacks, this is the ideal snack. Trust me, you will love it. So stick around. everybody, I hope you give this recipe a try. I know you guys are going to love it. You're going to make it all the time. Trust me, you're going to love it. And it's so easy to make with simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Well, everybody, Happy New Year to all of you, and I wish you all the best in happiness and health. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.